is Hal and Bob Van Garen. I probably butchered that, I'm sorry. I'm helping present a greenhouse gas experiment for Bio 101 class. This is a table of contents about what we're going to be discussing in our PowerPoint. Introduction into greenhouse gases, our experimental purpose and design, our hypothesis, materials, procedure, analysis, ways to improve our design, what we can use with algae and what it can produce, and how our bioreactor can be used in real-world applications, and conclusion. So, to introduce greenhouse gases are produced in the atmosphere, and basically it's a phenomenon where we are producing too many greenhouse gases which warm the Earth's surface, because these gases, which include carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and water vapor, hold radiant heat energy in the Earth's atmosphere instead of releasing it back. This creates a warming effect in our climate. Primarily carbon dioxide produced by fossil fuel burning is what we're discussing here. So our experimental purpose for this lab was to design an experiment that reclaims carbon dioxide and converts it into a usable form that is not oxygen, and also contributes to a sustainable environment.
So we'll switch. Fancy camera work. So this is our experiment. Welcome to Christmassy atmosphere, by the way. We, in previous experiments, were able to create carbon dioxide from yeast. We made yeast grow, combining it with sugar and water. We ran tubes to the next bottle, which just had distilled water in it, just to prove that it's creating something. And then we ran the carbon dioxide through to algae. We used algae that was found by Anne. Our hypothesis was that algae would grow faster in sunlight. So if algae would grow faster, that our water level would change in the bottle that was exposed to more sunlight. So what we would do is we'd have 3 bottles, one we kept in the dark, one we exposed to a lot of sunlight, and then one that was kind of in between. All the materials are listed in the PowerPoint. There's no sense in going over each individual step. Then we'd split them up and run that experiment and see how the algae growth would be affected by the sunlight. I guess I'll turn it over to Chris to almost close it out here.
The results that we got were not very much. We saw the